problem. It's very noisy during the train. So now, my suspect the cause of trouble is this drain motor. I'm going to remove this and replace with another spare. So we'll just remove this. For that, we'll remove the connector. Yeah. Then loosen the screw cable. Okay, so this is the drain motor that we just removed, and I have 2 spares. So I took this spare from the same model of Samsung 10 kilograms washing machine. We can see that the shapes are not the same, but no problem, because the most important thing we need to consider here is the size of the cable. So they are the same size, and also the place where we can fit the screws. So there's nothing, there's no problem. So you can see that the hole is the same. So let's use one of these spare. Let's check if we can resolve the problem. Okay, then let's install it. You can use long nose, but I don't have long nose now, so I use a forceps. Yeah. Okay, it fits. Then we need to put the bolt. Okay, just keep tightening the screw. Also on the other side. Okay, then connect the wire. Okay, so that's it. Let's try. Okay guys, after replacing the drain motor, let's check once again. So let's presume that we are going to drain the water. Let's start and drain switch and play. So as we can observe at the back, the water is coming out freely from the drain hose, but the annoying sound is already resolved. So we can say that the cause of the problem a while ago is the drain motor. So guys, this is the one that we removed. Even though it looks pretty cool and looks new, but we cannot have the guarantee by just looking its appearance, because even electronically working, but the problem is the gear inside. So there are gear inside, and if the gear is already worn out, then it creates a sound. So this is the problem. I hope this video helped you some way. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please check also the other videos that I've loaded related to electronic appliances repair. See you again. Bye bye.